how many miles out are we?
I don't know.
Okay. I'm gonna call it 5. Where the hell is this? Hurlong.
Hurlong traffic, South 1100, 5 miles inbound.
Hurlong traffic 114 Alpha Romeo is crossing at Bravo, we're at 257 crossing. Hurlong.
6011 runway clear, 25 at the end, taxiing west ramp for parking Hurlong.
But you gotta go straight to it this way because you're gonna go into
Don't
their
I want to be
airspace.
perpendicular to
Yeah,
it?
but you're gonna go in your airspace, and we don't want to do that.
Okay.
Go straight to it right now. I don't want to get a violation.
Romeo is clear 257.
Not with the rudder, my friend. That's the wrong answer.
Hurlong.
Turn with aileron. That ball center, that's what your DPE is going to look for to see if you know how to fly planes. Come right a little to stay out of their airspace. We only got 2 miles to work with, which sucks. That's why it ends up being kind of weird.
I mean, I have to come this way at some point if I'm going to make a perpendicular over the runway.
And you are technically in Cecil's airspace right now.
So runway 11 points you at their airspace? I don't know, now I'm at the departure end and I'm all fucked up.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to work that thing. Yeah, you're pointed right to the center.
Oh, I thought this was... Jesus, okay. Never mind. I'm way high, though. I don't see anybody, except for the one guy on the ground.
Hurlong traffic, South 1100, crossing midfield for left downwind runway 11, Hurlong.
Hurlong traffic 114 Alpha Romeo is departing runway 11, close left traffic. Hurlong.
Alright, before landing, check fuel selector, mixture switch, landing lights already on, check your seatbelt, line's good, car beat's already out. Full stop, trying to get the right speed on approach this time. Way long and a little.
traffic, Skyhawk 1100, left base, runway 11, furlong.
Furlong traffic, 114 Alpha Romeo, turning left crosswind, runway 11, furlong. Furlong traffic, 114 Alpha Romeo, left downwind, runway 11, furlong.
Tower traffic, Skyhawk 1100, final runway 11. Full stop, furlong.
All right, 62. To 65. Lined up left or right?
Left. Working right a little.
66. 70. 72. 72.
Furlong traffic, 114 Alpha Romeo is turning left base for runway 11, run number 2 in the pattern. It'll be a touch and go, furlong.
66.
What is the
Furlong traffic,
appropriate
114
speed
Alpha
to
Romeo
try to
turning
just
final
get
for
off
runway
of this
11.
thing?
It'll be a touch and go. We got
Is this
the
okay?
landing traffic in
About-
That's what I would do.
About 55.
I would not dilly-dally. I'd be like,
Yeah, I
got
don't want to dilly-dally, but I also don't want to go any faster because then I'm flying.
That's true. I've also just popped a wheelie the whole way down the runway, but I'd say that. It's not on tape either.